The seashore, guys, it's very fun here. And I don't want to go swim because Shania is crying. She don't want to swim. She don't like to swim. Welcome to the vlog, guys. So, that guys. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay. Oh, it's very fun. They're having fun. Cheerleader. Oh, cheerleading. Okay. Oh, nigara kay na video. Video, sige. Pak. 1, 2, 3, go. Mabawa, Roy. It's not a deep water. It's I think it's from hips. It's not a deep water. It's not very deep. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, bye. Thank you, guys.